Hi, I'm Andrew with Baker's Gas, and we're here today with the G5-03 Pro PAPR system by 3M. So in this video today, we're going to show you what this unit comes with, the features of this unit. This is a variable color unit, so very nice hood, new PAPR system out. What we're just going to jump right in. What comes with this unit? There's a 3-year warranty. Awesome. They do a very good job with their warranties. We don't hear about many warranties coming back, but also they go direct on the warranties too. So be ready for that, though. They ask a lot of specific questions when you submit a warranty, but they will take care of it with as long as it's within that 3 years. Another big one. So these are all battery operated unit, lithium ion batteries, super light battery. It used to be a NiCad battery, super heavy, and now they came to a lithium, super light, very nice on the back, but a 7 to 9 hour runtime on a battery. So it really depends to what kind of environment that you're in. So if it's really dirty and that battery's working hard to suck air in, it might be less. But if it's super nice environment, super clean, it's going to be run a little bit longer than that. But 7 to 9 is the average on those batteries. But very nice. So right in the rip, I got the helmet out. We took it out. What it comes with in the bag, super nice carrying bag. You got the belt for the back belt, the hose, this one, lenses, and a new sweatband for the helmet. Very cool. Carrying strap for the bag. The bag is super nice. We get people that buy these and they take the helmet out and then they just use the bag for something else. There's our blower motor right there. Very light unit too, not heavy. There's the battery charger and then the lithium ion battery. So all the stuff that comes in the bag got a name case, so you put your name on there. Everything's right in there. Very nice, super nice zippers on it. So sweet bag that it comes with. Probably worth the price of admission right there, but that helmet is super nice. But we'll go right into this blower motor here and I'll show you guys what's on this. So inside, super easy, you just push in, come open. And then inside there, we got our filters, which we'll link these down below, but they come in 2 packs, I believe. So you can put these down, buy 2 packs of those. That's the main filter. This is the pre-filter. And then there is a screen, a metal dust screen in there. So what that screen does is blocks out heavier particulate that you're going to draw, and then the pre-filter right here, this little white guy, it's going to stop what made it through the screen, and then obviously the filter is going to knock out the rest of it. So very nice setup, but all of these, we'll put them all down below, but they come in certain packs. Yes, they do need to be replaced. That screen, you could probably blow that screen out, but these need to be replaced. All that stuff needs to be replaced. And one of the biggest questions we get is, how long do these last? Well, I can tell you, it depends on the environment. We've had people run all week. We've had people run 4 hours. So it really varies. If you're in a super dirty environment with a lot of dust in the air or a lot of particulate in the air, those filters aren't going to last a very long time. But you're going to know when your air starts to dwindle on the blower motor, right? You're going to know. And plus there is a sensor on that that's going to tell us where we got battery life, and then we got filter, basically what the draw rate on the motor is. It's going to tell us where we're at. So it is a very smart system, but it's going to tell you. So I mean, I'm just saying though, we've seen them in medical situations where that filter lasts a month, you know, so it's just dependent on the situation. That's one of our biggest questions. Well, how many do I need to buy? I'd at least buy a 2-pack. And if you only make it a week with the 2-pack plus the one that it comes with, well, you better buy more after that. So, but on the helmet side of things, it's lighter than the G5-01, and we're going to do a comparison video on that here in a minute. But the G5-03 Pro, it's lighter than the G5-01, but it doesn't have the flip up. So it has the tap to grind feature, which we set it on the tap to grind, and then you just tap the side and it goes into grind mode. Tap it again, it goes back to welding mode. Not had any really quarrels about that. It seems to work pretty well. People hit their helmet and it switches over. But here on this thing too, we have the air control valve. So vision or face is what it says. So we're redirecting the air. It's got a diverter valve inside. And then on the other side, we have the up down. So whether you want the air to go up and over, so you just up, down, you just adjust it. You'd have to put it on for me to tell you which setting is the best. It's what you prefer as far as that goes. So the peripheral sight glasses too are a very nice feature on this. It gives you more of a vision out the sides instead of a narrow vision on the lens itself. I like that. The lenses are very clear. They're easy to change. It's got 4 sensors on the front, so you're going to pick up the arc no matter what. This thing too, variable color, and I don't know if we can show that. but let me flip the headgear up. Super easy to, so there's the variable color button. So basically you toggle through those. I can get green, blue, or red. So what the difference is that when I'm welding, I can have a green hue to my arc, a blue hue to my arc, which is more of a clear, and then a red hue to my arc. I got a battery light indicator. I got my delay, my sensitivity. My shades, we can go from 8 to 14, super nice. And then a 3 shade for grinding and a 5 shade for cutting, torch cutting, plasma cutting, that sort of thing. Super nice. And they're going to have that tap mode too, so you don't have to take the helmet up to change into those modes. There is a programmable thing. You got to read the owner's manual on how to program that tap mode, but it is pretty easy to do. The headgear on the new G5-03 is updated, so it's going to be more comfortable than the G5-01. It is lighter than the G5-01, but they also make many options as far as all these, the hood coverings. They make another bib that comes down. You can get a longer plastic bib. You can get a shorter plastic one. They make ones that come down mid-chest that clamp on there, but they're very integrated to the helmet itself. Everything is machine washable, so you can pull all this out, machine washing, pull that off, machine washer. They make ones that are longer on the back. Another feature that they have too, and everyone asks what's this little cutout for? So basically 3M makes a light. You got to drill and tap the light into it, but it clips in there, and then the light wire comes out the side, and then you can turn the light on and off on the front of your helmet. And it's at the chin, which is kind of cool. Some of the competitors are at the inside the helmet right at the top, but the light on the chin, it works really well. It is cool. And then they also make radios for these things. They make all kinds of features for them. We'll try and link as many as we can below, but there's a lot of stuff you can pick up for these helmets. Now, a lot of the things that we get are, is it worth the price? Now, my opinion, 3M, this G5-03, it is a very nice hood, and they hold up super nice. I mean, they hold up really, really well. We've seen them in heavy industry, heavy flux core, heavy stick operation, and man, they hold up to heat, to smoke. The lenses they hold up really nice. You don't get a lot of fog back on the backside of the lens. The PAPR, the blower motors hold up really well. So a lot of people, they like them just for their reliability. Like I said, 3-year warranty. They're more of a robust helmet. They're simple in the fact that you set the shade, you set the color you want, you put it down, and it welds, and it doesn't stop welding. So not a lot of bells and whistles, but it's still a very, very nice hood. And I think for the price, this is probably one of the best PAPRs on the market today. If not the best PAPR on the market. Like I said, they've been very, very popular. Super nice hood. So if you guys got any questions, comments, leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for some more.